flashes. So this one flashes red here, but you can't tell in the front that you're recording unless I do this. No, I was just curious because my other camera has a big thing right here. You can tell if you're recording, and I colored it in so you can't tell. But yeah, as you can tell, it's like raining like really hard, and yeah, I don't know. This is the first time like vlogging on the Canon 80D. Already tested its waterproof abilities because we went through the storm, which was like about maybe like half a mile from my apartment. So you know, it went through a river of water, and you know, it's still functioning really fine. I think it looks probably about the same. Do you think it looks better or the same?
Can't tell.
Yeah. All I know is that like this is able to export at 1080p 60 frames versus my other one was able to do 1080 at 30. Oh boy, 30 FPS more. All right. We're gonna go somewhere. So yeah.
For a beach bag.
What's up? Welcome to the life of Tom. Alright, let's see. Did you buy that, babe?
Even it's free. I don't know.
Look at that one. That one looks really good.
Really good.
Really good.
You can see your face there.
Oh, I can't. Hold on. Smell good. Hold up, I want to get the cute mute. It's so tiny on my camera.
Really?
Yeah, like on the camera, it's like that's the Mac. That was the Mac Zoom.
Oh, okay.
That tiny thing. I was testing out the camera at the store. I don't know. I like it. What do you think, babe?
I like it.
Camera has character. Character.
Okay, looks so.
Do you see the red flashing? Yeah. Oh yeah, this is like the new air freshener we got. Just wanted to show it off. Daiso $1.58. They are not sponsoring me to say this, but yeah. Hey, let me know what you guys think if the video quality does look better with this camera versus my other camera. Also, you might notice that the audio might sound different and not as good, or it might sound better. I'm not sure because I'm only using the mic on my camera instead of using my Rode on my... Is it called Rode? It's R-O-D-E. I don't know if it's really called Rode or Rod or... I don't know. Let me know what you think about the mic quality. If it sounds better or worse. Alright. I think this is like 5 times heavier than like my other camera. I don't know, it feels so much heavier. It hurts my wrist. Not sure how much heavier it is, but alright, so I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but I just wanted to play with this camera more because it has like a lot of features that my other one doesn't have, and you know, I'm just, you know, experimenting and stuff, and yeah, I think I'm probably gonna just end like this video because I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing and stuff, so yeah. Sorry, I'm like pretty tired. Yeah, I don't even know. This is like a very, very lazy video. I don't know. Peace out.